The LMX4 Bronco Sport. Hi, I'm Tim Bartz, Internet Sales Manager here at McArthur Ford in Salina, Kansas, where you can find some of the best custom builds of anywhere in the country, right here in the middle of the United States. And we've done it again. We've introduced the LMX4 package for our Bronco Sport. Similar package we put on our F-150 and our Rangers that we're adding to this one here. So we're going to, in this video, go over how we're going to equip these from the factory and how we're getting so many of these and where other dealers are not. And we're going to go ahead and cover the equipment that we put as part of the LMX4 package. So we'll go into specifics on that as well in this video. First time watching one of our videos, hit the red subscribe button down below so you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell. You'll also get notified the next time we have another video uploaded to our YouTube channel. We also do free shipping, so if you're interested in one of these Bronco Sport builds, we can have it shipped right to your door for free. More information about that will be at the end of the video. But let's just go ahead and get started. First, cover some of the factory equipment, what trim we base this off of, and how do we have it equipped. So let's cover some of this standard equipment on the Big Bend trim. Now, I do have a video on our YouTube that I did several months ago on all the standard equipment on the Big Bend. I think I mentioned that already. So you can watch that video at the end of this video if you want to. I'm just going to give you some of the highlights here on this this trim here. Of course, these are going to be 4x4, based off 4x4. That's the standard drive system for all your Bronco Sports. It is going to have the 1.5 liter 4-cylinder EcoBoost engine paired with the 8-speed automatic transmission, and it will get the GOAT modes. Go over any type terrain, just turn that dial there to whatever type terrain you're going to be going over or you're about ready to hit, and it's going to go ahead and shift the 4x4 system, traction control. It's going to change the shifting of your transmission based on the different drive modes or different terrain that you're on, whether you're in slippery mode, whatever mode you're in, to help you with that. And GOAT modes are going to be a great feature. You've probably seen some commercials out there that Ford's been playing about the GOAT modes, so you're going to have that on the Big Bend trim as well here. I do want to point out the privacy glass in these back windows and the back glass and the high gloss black pieces. The reason I point that out is it gives it that floating roof line up here, giving that safari style roof with the roof rack rails on the top. So that is actually standard on many of your vehicles. This one does get the privacy glass as an upgrade from the base model. Also, you get the intelligent access. With that key fob in my pocket, just walk up, put my hands in the door handle. I'm going to unlock the vehicle, letting me get in and out of the vehicle real easily. And also with the push button start, you don't have to get the keys out to start it either. Now on the back, here in the back and the hood or in the cargo area, some great features in here that are an upgrade when you go to the Big Bend. One of them, you will see the rubberized flooring down here. So that is going to be standard equipment on the Big Bend, as well as the rubberized seat backs. So those can come out and be sprayed out if you need to. So those are going to be on those seat backs. That's an upgrade when you go from the base to the Big Bend. Also, you're going to see a little button back there for the light. Flip that on and it's going to control these lights back here, especially if you're camping. They can come in real handy, as well as the bottle opener that's over here and the door too. So you can have that ready to go if you need to get open any beer bottles or anything like that. Inside, it will have the MOLLE straps. So even with this, we're going to do some upgrades here. Still going to have those MOLLE straps in the back of the seat backs with the carabiner hooks. Also, full power windows, locks, mirror switches, cruise control, does have the manual tilt and telescoping steering wheel, electronic climate control, and you're going to have the Sync 3 with that touchscreen there where you're going to see that backup camera come into view, as well as being able to connect your phone via Bluetooth using the FordPass Connect to connect your vehicle to the app, being able to remote start the vehicle from anywhere, unlock and lock your vehicle, some of those other great features. Now, as part of this package, the first thing we do after we order it from Ford is Ford drop ships it to Top King in Kansas City. Top King takes it, they put their leather seats that we work with them to design. When the way like this in here is a two-tone with the black with the gray. We'll always match it with the interior. So nice custom leather seats, heated feature as well as added to the front seats. So you're gonna get leather and heat for those front seats. You also notice the back of those seat backs do still get the MOLLE straps with the zipper pockets. So real nice job on that back there. And even the back seat's gonna get full leather as well. So nice custom leather seats that's added to the vehicle. Then we get at the dealership, we go ahead and add a suspension system. So 2-inch Pro Comp suspension. So it's gonna bring up the front and the back to keep it a nice level look like it gets from the factory, but allowing for more space for nice wheel and tire combination. We're gonna put an 18-inch black Rhino wheels on these. So really nice design on these. Looks really sharp, I believe, on these vehicles. And we're going to pair it with the BF Goodrich KO2 tires. We love that tire. Think it's a great off-road tread. You can see the numbers there. It is that LT 255 55 R18, so real nice off-road wheel tire combination. After that's all done, of course, we do a 4-wheel alignment on the vehicle too, and then we throw in the front window tint, so it just has a nice look throughout the vehicle here, giving again that floating roof line, safari style roof there. So great package, and don't forget everything that we do and Top King does covered under a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty with the vehicle as well. So great build here. Only can get these at McArthur Ford in Salina, Kansas. Check out our website, of course, McArthur.com. Click on that McArthur Performance logo at the top of the page. With that, once you click there, you can see all of our different custom builds and inventory on that page, but we have a dedicated page for the Bronco Sport LMX4. So click on that one, you're going to see more information about it. This video will be on there real shortly after it airs on YouTube, and then you're going to also see our inventory. Right now this is the only one that's available. This is number 1 in this series, but we have several builds available. So if there's certain colors you're wanting, give us a call, send us a text message. Numbers are on the screen. Feel free to reach out to us. Again, we have several of these on order. We can let you know what's already on order and what we can order from Ford and have it built for you and has this package put on. So again, we do ship to about anywhere, so we do cap it about $1,000. The way that works is we ask, all you have to do is finance a vehicle with us. If you finance with us, we can ship it to you for free up to $1,000, and a lot of people are doing that, getting a great Bronco Sport build delivered right to their door by a dealership that is very passionate about their off-road trucks and SUVs, and I think you'll really like that. So take advantage of that. Reach out to us, call or send us a text message to that numbers, and we can help you out. Don't forget, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Hit the red subscribe button down below so you can get subscribed. Hit the notification bell. You'll also get notified the next time another video uploaded to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like this video, share it out, put your comments down below. I really appreciate it. And you can find us on social media. We're at McArthur on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So hopefully you did enjoy this video. And until the next one, we'll see you later.